Connie, but pretty soon come over here. Yes, he looks very cool. Telling y'all very dressed up. He's wearing his very fancy tuxedo. All right, buddy, come on. Come on, man, go on there. Come on. Beautiful. Come on, man. All right. All right, so can you say hello to everyone? Hello. You say hello. You say hello. You're embarrassing. You say hello. It's like a little gamer style. That's all right. All right. So what we're going to do is Pumpkin's going to go try and find that tire with all these other toys. Alright, so go find a tire, buddy. Go find a tire. Go find a tire. Uh-oh. Good job. Alright, get out here. What are you doing? Come on, buddy. Come on. Good job. Alright, Dylan, if you will mind picking up those toys, and we're going to do it one more time. You can even stack them on top of each other and try and trick it. So like I said, Tuck is an African pied crow. So these guys are from Africa, mainly South Africa. And the term pie actually means black and white. So describe these guys very well. Uh-oh. So, I don't know. I might be able to tell. Beautiful. Alright, go hang out that staircase one more time. I'll line that up. Alright, go find your tire. Go find your tire. Go find it. So it's nice to take a seat and groove sometimes, just explore, even though it's embarrassing to me. Uh-oh. Good job. Good job, buddy. Alright. Alright, we're going to do it one more time. You'll pick those toys up and spread it out one more time. So y'all might be wondering why I'm blowing this whistle. So in training, this is what we call a bridge. So after I blow that whistle, he knows that he's done what I want him to do. And that means come back and snack time. Yes. Okay, next time. So Tuck is also what we call a human imprint bird. That means that at his early years, he was developed around people, he grew up around people. So he's very dependent on people for food and care. So he cannot survive after a while. Alright, buddy, one more time. Go find a tire. Go find a tire. Go find it. No, it's not here. Alright, go find a tire, buddy. Go find a tire. No. 25-minute show, so come on, man. Uh-oh. Here we go. Good job, buddy.